Good day everyone! Today we're going to solve a problem on Chapter 2, the Principles of Hydrostatics from the book Fundamentals of Fluid Mechanics, 6th edition by Monsoon. Here's the problem. The basic elements of a hydraulic press are shown in the figure.
The plunger has an area of 1 inch squared and a force F1 can be applied to the plunger through a lever mechanism having a mechanical advantage of 8:1. If the large piston has an area of 150 inch squared, what load F2 can be raised by a force of 30 pounds applied to the lever? Neglect the hydrostatic pressure variation. A force of 30 pounds applied to the lever results in a plunger force F1 of 240 pounds since F1 is equals to PA1 and F2 is equals to PA2, where P is the pressure and A1 and A2 are the areas of the plunger and piston respectively.
Since P is constant throughout the chamber, by equating both, we will get F1 over A1 is equals to F2 over A2, so that F2 is equals to A2 over A1 times F1. Substitute all values and we get 36,000 pounds. This is for today's problems. We hope you learned something from us and kindly see our next videos for more information. Thank you.